So one of my favorite parts of this experience is I think the diversity and the offer that we get to experience here.
You're right exactly where you want to be. You're seeing the players, their second shot into the 18th green. It's amazing. They've got a great cigar situation.
You have a wine sommelier.
You can sit with a PGA Pro and help you with your swing. Mine's perfect, so I didn't need it.
You have, just a lot of different things that we can experience that complements the golf.
In the back, you get to sit and have dinner or lunch with a cocktail, and you get to watch the golfers play on the 18th hole. And then if you go out front, you get to see the golfers on the 17th hole. So it was a pretty unique experience.
The relationships that we forged today, just with my own VIP clients, has been really, really awesome. But something that I wasn't expecting is the opportunity to really meet a lot of the other guests.
There you get to be with your team, whether you're a corporate team or more of a personal team. You get to come together and get to know each other on a more intimate level.
It's freaking awesome.
The whole thing's just absolutely amazing.